Good day to all. Thank you for the privilege to be part of this momentous event. Gwen and Joseph, marriage is a lifelong commitment, a sacred bond. You are bound to one another. Love, respect, and be truthful to each other. Any disagreement or any argument, you should not put on hold. You should solve it before you sleep in the night. Always put God in the center of your relationship, and surely you will not go wrong. We wish you both a successful, happy, full of love married life. God bless you.
Joseph and Gwen, congratulations and best wishes. May God bless you both always. Enjoy your celebration. Bye.
Joseph and Gwen, our warmest congratulations and love to both of you on your wedding day. May your marriage be filled with joy, laughter, and a lifetime of happiness. Always put God at the center of your relationship. That's the secret of long-lasting marriage. Enjoy your celebration. Cheers! Enjoy to the max. Bye! Regards to all.
Greetings, Joseph and Gwen. I just want to wish you guys all the happiness that two people can have. I wish that God's blessings on your life. And always put God first in your life, and God will take care of everything else. I just want to let you know that I care about you guys, and just like I care for my sweet, beautiful love, Emily. Hi, Emily. Bye.
Congratulations, Gwen, Marianne, and your hubby. I'm so happy, Be, dahil finally kinasal ka na. And finally natagpuan mo na your one and only true love. So, ang wish ko lang ay sana maging happily married ka, and sana mabless kayo agad ng maraming supling. Ayun. So, ang masasabi ko lang, or ang mapapayo ko lang, bilang ako ay kasal na for the last 8 years, for long-lasting relationship, very important, aside from God being the center of your relationship, ay yung active communication sa inyong dalawa. So, napakahalaga nun na properly nako-communicate nyo yung mga thoughts nyo sa partner nyo. And yung partner naman, kailangan nagpe-pay attention, good listener. So, kailangan yung hindi lang basta papasok dito, lalabas sa kabila. Kailangan maiintindihan mabuti, mako-comprehend mabuti yung message na dinideliver nyo para mag-response din siya ng maayos. So, napakahalaga nung aspeto yun sa long-lasting relationship. I hope to see you soon, Be, and your hubby as well. Sayang hindi kami nakapunta ni Baby kasi exactly today din yung flight namin going back to the UAE. Pero next year, hopefully, magkita-kita tayo. I miss you and I love you, Be, Marianne. Bye-bye!
Are you getting married? Who told you to get married? No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god, I can't believe you're getting married, Gwen. Well, I guess I have to congratulate you. I thought we're gonna stay single forever. No, I'm just kidding. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. I wish you well to the both of you. You both stay in love forever. Be nice to each other. I guess I'm going to miss the old Gwen who's single, partying with me, taking shots, just adventuring and flying everywhere. But things are gonna be changed now. You have your other half and you're happy, and I can't wait to meet your husband. I haven't met him, but I guess I'll meet him when I visit, hopefully next year. Finger crossing. But congratulations again, Gwen, and I wish you well. Bye.
Hi, Gwen. From childhood memories to this sacred moment, I watch you grow with grace, kindness, grow into someone full of love, strength, and warmth. Today, I celebrate not only your marriage, but the beautiful way God has written your love story. Crossing cultures, languages, and borders to bring you two together. And knowing you both are united in faith and love is truly inspiring. Congratulations, Gwen and Joseph. May your marriage be full of laughter, adventure, and understanding. And may you have a home built from not where you are, but from who you are together. And looking forward to meeting you soon, Joseph. Please take good care of our Gwen. And Mayora, I miss you and hope to see you soon. Congrats again and best wishes. Bye, love you.